Hello everyone. Today in our class we will discuss the solutions of our in-text as well as exercise questions. Okay. First question. Okay. See. First question from your in-text question. Okay. In page number 33, see first question. First question. Okay. See, the question is, what is the common name of the compound of CaOCl2? The question asks, what is the common name of CaOCl2? Common name is what? Blazing powder. Blazing powder. Okay? Written, no? Next question. Next question is the name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields blazing powder. Okay. This question is answer of this question is slacked lime, which has the formula calcium hydroxide slacked lime. Okay. How? When slacked lime react with HCl, it produced what? CaOCl2, which is a blazing powder, and H2O. Okay, I didn't write here H2O, but that here H2O. Okay, next question. Next question is the name the sodium compound which is used to softening the water. Simple question. I have already discussed. The answer is washing soda. Okay. But remember, you have to write the chemical formula also. Okay. Next question. The question is metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. Okay, the gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Write a balanced chemical reactions for the reactions if one of the compound formed is calcium chloride. Now, what is the reaction? The reaction of the question number 4 is the calcium carbonate. This one solid plus 2 moles of HCl, this one aqueous, and gives the product as CaCl2, that means calcium chloride plus H2O liquid plus CO2 gas. This is the carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide is evolved as a effervescence, that means the evolution of the gas. Okay. Next, our exercise question. Okay. First question of our exercise is, it is a multiple choice question. A solution turns red, litmus blue. What is the pH to be like? This is homework. I already discussed. Okay. Homework. Let me write. In the sections, I am writing the homeworks. Okay. Question number 1. Okay. Exercise. Question number 1. Next question is, a solution react with crushed eggshell to give the gas of burning lime water. Milk in the solutions contain what? Contain HCl. Contain HCl, hydrochloric acid. Third question. Third to the numerical based question. Okay. See, 10 ml of solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of given solution of hydrogen chloride. That means hydrochloric acid. Full stop. If we take 20 ml of same solution of NaOH, the amount of HCl solution required to neutralize will be what? C. Now see the solution. See the solutions. it is given that number 3, okay, 10 ml of sodium hydroxide solution neutralize 8 ml of HCl solutions. Okay, then what is then 1 ml of sodium hydroxide solution neutralize 8 by 10 ml of HCl? Simply 20 ml of sodium hydroxide solution neutralize 8 by 10 into 20 ml of HCl. So you just multiply, just cancellation do here, you will get 16 ml of, the answer is 16 ml. The meaning is that 20 ml of sodium hydroxide solutions can neutralize 16 ml of sodium chloride solutions. Okay, the option should be 60 ml. Okay. Fourth question. Fourth question is homework. The answer is antacid. Okay, I already said. Answer is antacid. Fifth question. Fifth question is given that some reaction is given. Okay, some reaction are given. Then you have to write the balanced chemical reactions. Okay. Now see. First one. First one is given that first number A. 5A. 5. When dilute, okay, dilute sal. Remember, I'm writing the question. Okay, when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc, that means zinc granules. Okay, zinc granules means zinc metal. Simply. Now, what is the reaction? The reaction is, suppose sodium sulfuric acid, no, is sulfuric formula H2SO4 aqueous plus zinc solid, it produce what? It produce zinc sulfate, which is in aqueous plus H2 gas. This was the balanced chemical reactions. Okay. Second one. Similarly, number 2 is the reaction in which dilute hydrochloric acid react with magnesium ribbon. Remember, magnesium ribbon means simple magnesium metal. Okay, the reaction is HCl aqueous plus magnesium solid. It gives the product of magnesium Cl2. Therefore, that should be 2 Cl2 aqueous plus H2 gas. Okay, and the rest of the 2, that means number C and number D, is your homework. Okay, 5C and 5D. Okay, next. Next question is, compounds such as alcohol and glucose also contain hydrogen, but are not categorized as acid. Now, so this one important question. Okay. This may come in your question in an exam. Okay. First, what is the question? The meaning of the question is, both HCl and alcohol has hydrogen. Though acid is termed as acid, but alcohol is not termed as acid. Why? Suppose HCl. In presence of water, that means when it reacts with water, it produces H3O positive plus Cl2. This H3O positive is nothing but H positive. Nothing but H positive. But if you see in any alcohol, not alcohol, what is given? Sorry, here is glucose is given, not alcohol, glucose. But when glucose reacts with water, it does not produce H plus or H3O positive. Okay, it does not produce H plus or H3O positive. It does not produce this one. Okay. That's why glucose is not termed as acid. Okay. Remember, you have to write in language. Okay. What is the language? When HCl reacts with water, it produces H3O positive and Cl negative. H3O positive means H plus, which is responsible for the acidic character of HCl. But in case of glucose, when it reacts with water, it does not produce even H plus or H3O positive. That's why it's not termed as acid. Remember, no? Okay. Due to the heavy rainfall, no, in everywhere, you may hear an extra sound of rainfall. Okay, please ignore it and focus on what I am saying. I am sure that you can hear what I am explaining or what I am saying clearly. Okay, just use a headphone and you can hear all the things what I am saying clearly. Okay, try to adjust now. Next thing. This is the main topic. Okay. Now, in your question, it is given that explain with a activity. Now, how can you do activity? See. Suppose we are taking a beaker. Suppose we are taking a beaker. Okay. In this beaker, we have taken lots of water. Lots of water. Okay. This water is consisting of acidic solution. Suppose here is acid solution. If it is acid solution, obviously there lots of H positive is given. H positive is there. H positive means H2 positive. Okay. H3 positive means H positive. Same thing. Now, if we connect a metal wire with a battery, okay, with a battery, and this another wire is connected. There is a key, and here is a bulb. Because of the H plus or H3O positive in these solutions, this solution is now conducting in nature. Conducting nature means it can conduct electricity with the help of this ion. That means from this simple activity we can say that from the acid solutions this electron is passing or electricity is passing. Okay, that's why these are acid. But if we use in place of acid solutions glucose, then we will not get the light. Okay, that means our bulb will not bright. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question is, the main thing is, rainwater conduct electricity but our distilled water cannot. What is the reason? See, number 7. Distilled water means only water. Distilled water equal to, that means only H2O. There is no any other substances in distilled water. If it is only water, then obviously it will not dissociate, and if it is not dissociated, it will not conduct any electricity. Okay, but in rainwater, there are many gases are present. Suppose SO2, CO2 are present. Due to these gases, the water becomes acidic in nature. As we learned in class 9 about the acid rain, no? This is the main concept of acid rain. Now our rain becomes acidic. If it is acidic, then obviously it will conduct electricity, no? That's why. Suppose we are taking an example where SO2 react with water, it forms H2SO4, that means sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid can dissociate into H positive plus SO4. This 2 H positive and SO4 2 negative, that means 2 ion is responsible for the conduction of electricity. Okay. Next question number 8 is homework. Question number 8 is homework. Next question. Homework is question number 8, 9, 10, 11 also. Okay. Now see, in the question number 11, what is given? A fresh milk of pH 6. Okay. Suppose I am writing. See. A fresh milk is given. Number 11. There is fresh milk. Fresh milk, it is given that the pH equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Now if this acid, if this milk converted into curd. Now this milk is not milk, is converted to curd. Curd means what? Curd means the presence of lactic acid, no? Lactic acid. If it is lactic acid, that means acid, obviously the pH will decrease. That means which lower the pH than 6. That means pH will decrease. Next, number 12. A milkman added a small amount of baking soda on fresh milk. Number 1 is why does he shift the pH of fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Now see. Now I'm writing the answer. Okay. I'm writing the answers. On addition of baking soda. Baking soda has the formula of NaHCO3 to fresh milk. The milk becomes slightly alkaline. That means alkaline means in the basic form. That means the pH is increasing, not decreasing. Okay, alkaline, and does not turn sour. Now see, since it is alkaline, no, it's a little bit alkaline. That means slightly alkaline, not more alkaline. That's why the taste of that milk does not turn to sour taste. Sour taste means acidic in nature. Okay, sour taste. That's why small amount of baking soda is added to the milk to avoid the formation of any acid or the formation of the taste, sour taste. Okay. Next question. 12b. Try to solve the 12b. Okay. Oh, wait, no. 12b. Try to solve 12b. If you are getting any problem, okay, then contact me. I'll help you. Next number 13 is plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture proof container. Explain why. Moisture proof container. Moisture proof container means we cannot add water with plaster of Paris. Now what is the plaster of Paris formula? Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrated, okay, plus water. Now see, when calcium sulfate hemihydrated, that means plaster of Paris reacted with water, it produced gypsum. Gypsum has the formula of calcium sulfate 2H2. This one, plaster of Paris. This one, water, that means moisture, and this one gypsum, which is a very hard substance. To avoid the hard character of the gypsum, we cannot allow to react the plaster of Paris with moisture. Suppose if plaster of Paris reacted with water, okay, then it produced gypsum, which is a very hard solid substance. Okay? That's why it is kept in a moisture proof container to avoid the formation of gypsum, which is a very hard. Next, number 14 and 15 is a homework. I already explained, okay? Number 14 and 15. Okay? Till this much, we have completed our second chapter. The next class, we will start our third chapter. Okay? Thank you.